So you're going to look at your equation. H2 plus Cl2 yields to give HCl. Question 1 asks, what are the molecules on the reactant side? You're going to look at the left side of the arrow and see that it's H2 and Cl2. Question 2, what are the molecules on the product side? You're going to look on the right side of the arrow. You're going to identify it's HCl. Question 3, write the coefficients. In this case, we have an invisible 1 for H2, an invisible 1 for Cl2, and on the right side of the arrow, we're going to have an invisible 1 for HCl. Then the next step is to complete the chart. First step, we're going to talk about the atom hydrogen. Look at the left side of the arrow, and you're going to identify that there's 2 hydrogen, so we're going to write 2. And on the mounted product, you're going to look at the right side of the arrow, identify it's 1. Are they equal? 2 is not the same thing as 1, so therefore, no. The next atom is chlorine. You're going to identify that there's 2 chlorine atoms on the left side of the arrow, which is the reactant, and 1 chlorine on the right side of the arrow. Are they equal? No. Question E. So is this balanced? The way you identify its balance, if there's any no's on this right side of the chart, then that means it is not balanced. Question letter F. Draw the structural formulas for each. So you're going to identify first your chemical formula, H2 plus Cl2 yields to make HCl. You're going to identify that H2 means that there's 2 H's bonded together. Cl2 means that there's 2 Cl's bonded together. And HCl means that there is hydrogen bonded to a Cl. Letter G. If you need more, add more structural formulas to balance the equation. We identify there's 2 hydrogens on the left, 2 chlorine on the left. So if I just add another structural formula of HCl on the right side, I will then have the total of 2 hydrogen on the right side and 2 Cl's on the right side of the arrow. Therefore, it will be balanced. So now I'm going to rewrite the equation to the following. H2 plus Cl2 yields to make 2 HCl. Remember, we can only change the coefficients, never the subscripts.